Hey everyone, this is Sanjay from Taboo Foodies. Today we'll be making wholesome and delicious breakfast cookies. These cookies are packed with nuts, oats, and naturally sweetened with dates, making them perfect to pair with that cup of chai or coffee. They are super easy to make, require just a few simple ingredients, and bake under 20 minutes. Plus, we'll be adding some chocolate chips just for that extra little treat. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get started.
First, add half cup of almonds to a food processor or a blender, followed by half cup of chopped walnuts and 1.5 cup of oats. Blend everything into a fine powder. Next, add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half cup of chopped dates. Blend again until everything is well combined. Now pour in 1/4 cup of water and blend one last time until it forms a smooth dough. Now we'll place a sheet of parchment paper on the rolling board, transfer the dough onto it, and cover it with another parchment sheet. Now we'll roll it out thin using a rolling pin. And then we'll cut out cookies using a cookie cutter or anything round from your kitchen. We'll gather the leftover dough and repeat the process. Now we'll transfer the cookies into a baking pan and top them with chopped dark chocolate. Here, I'm using 70% dark chocolate cut into small pieces. And now bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Once done, let them cool completely. With no added butter, refined flour or sugar, these cookies are perfect to enjoy with that cup of chai. They are wholesome, delicious, and easy to make as well.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you want to make your breakfast a little bit more interesting, do try these cookies and let us know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, the written recipe is in the description below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.